What's up, Subi Nation? DJ here with Subi Bros, and today we're going to be doing an installation video for our LED replacement license plate light units. So we're going to be taking the look from this to this. All right, so what comes in the box is 2 LED replacements, and each replacement has 24 individual diodes on it. So this replaces the entire unit rather than just replacing the standard bulb with an LED bulb. And we'll show you guys how this has really nice color tone, even coverage, and good light output. So to get started, we're going to pop the trunk because we need to access the bulbs from the backside, and let's get to it. Okay, so to gain access to the light, we're going to remove these clips here, and we'll be able to pull back the liner and access the light. The type of clips we're going to be working with are the push pin type clips. To remove it, all you need is a flathead screwdriver. You insert it on the little opening on the side. It'll pop the head, and then you want to pull the base out. If you try to pull from the head, it can end up locking it in place. So what you want to do is just give it a little push, and out it comes. Now that the line is removed, we have access to the license plate lights, which are located here and here. The first thing we're going to do is remove the bulb. We can do this by just twisting the connector here and pulling it out. Then we'll remove the bulb on the other side. The next step is going to be to remove the 4 8mm nuts that are holding on the trunk trim. So we're going to do the 2 on this side and then 2 on the other. The last step to remove the trunk trim piece is these 2 teal colored clips. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply pressure on the clip pushing up, but then with our other hand we're going to also lift up on the trim piece from the top of the trunk simultaneously. You'll see it pop out of place there. We've lowered the trunk here so we can show you guys that after the teal clips have popped out, you can just gently pull off the trim piece. And now it exposes the actual housings here that we're going to remove next. All right, we're back on the back side of the trunk now. So to remove the housings, it's pretty straightforward. You just push on this tab and then grab it from the top, and there you go. Okay, we're now going to install the new housings. So to do this, we're going to insert the wire, but you want to make sure that you have the the taller tab facing the inside here. So what we're going to do is we're going to hook the small side onto the metal here and then press it in. Then once you hear it click, you're good to go. Then we'll do the same on the other side. so I just want to point out that in order to make sure that you have this installed correctly, where the LED housing meets the trunk, it should be even. There shouldn't be a gap because there's a foam gasket that seals against it. So if one side is cockeyed or up, it means that the tabs weren't inserted correctly. So just remove it and retry. We're now going to connect the new light. So to do this, we need to remove the old bulb here, and the new housing inserts into where the old bulb went. We'll do the same over here. Before we go any further, we're going to go ahead and give the lights a try just to make sure there's no issues. We're going to reinstall the trunk trim piece. So when you do this, you just want to make sure to line up, obviously, the bolts with the holes in the trunk, and then we'll just press it on and the clips will hold it in place. We'll now reinstall the 8mm nuts. Then we'll snug them down with the wrench. Now we're going to reinstall the trunk liner. To reinstall the pins, you leave the top popped out and just insert it back into the hole. Once it's inserted, you just press the top portion in to lock it in place. All right, so that concludes our installation of the Subi Bros LED license plate lights. If you guys want to purchase these, head on over to subibros.com. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this, and we'll catch you next time.